Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyo sa second half ng 2024. So that's July to December 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto niyo makapag-book. So paki-check na lang. And also, it's Gemini season. So, happy birthday, happy solar return sa inyo. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and good health. So, Gemini, let's see ang energies na parating sa inyo. What is your overall energy for July to December in 2024? July to December. Wow, the Chariot. Tingnan nyo, success. Meron ding journey. Maaring may mga travels kayo, marami kayong gala, no? July to December, going to different places. And this is also about progress. May pag-unlad sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo ngayon. So, kung yung iba nag-start ng negosyo, ng trabaho, mararamdaman nyo yung pag-unlad na yan sa inyong buhay, July to December. Okay? So, there's also, yung iba, pwedeng makakabili kayo ng sasakyan. Or meron kayong mga projects para sa inyong sasakyan. Magpapa-upgrade kayo ng sasakyan. Oo. So, let's see your possible challenge. Ano yung possible challenge? You have the Eight of Wands. Yung iba, kahit na may opportunity kayo na makagala, yung iba parang tinatamad, ayaw nyo. Kasi travel na naman to. And also as a challenge, maganda rin na maging ready ka sa mga travel opportunities for you ngayong July to December. Let's say, yung passport mo, ready mo na. Yung sasakyan mo, dapat lagi mo rin chine-check kapag ikaw ay umaalis, no? Or yung mga bagay na kailangan mong dalhin pag aalis ka, no? Dahil syempre minsan nakakalimutan natin, meron pala tayong napaka-importante kailangang asikasuhin. So dapat bago umalis ng bahay, may mga checklist ka na ito dapat dala ko, ito dapat ganon. Okay? So, let's see what else. Yung inyong opportunity, what's the opportunity? Second half. Two of Wands. Partnership. Maaring merong opportunity kayo na makipag-business partnership sa isang taong malapit sa inyo or sa isang taong sa tingin nyo ay mapagkakatiwalaan nyo sa negosyo, sa projects ninyo. Pwede ring romantic partner, no? Yung inyong makakasama dito. So, maaring may mga plans ka pa to expand, to explore new opportunities ngayong July to December 2024. So, kailangan dyan, i-manage nyo ng maigi yung oras at panahon nyo, no? Kasi maaring iba, may pagsasabay-sabayin kayong dalawang projects, trabaho. Let's see, what is your blessing? The Five of Pentacles. Okay, as a blessing, ito ay pagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob sa mga challenges na pwede niyong kaharapin pagdating sa pera, no? And yung iba naman, kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng hardships, struggles pagdating sa inyong finances, kayo ay makakaraos na, no? You are going to be blessed. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga naging problema niyo sa pera, ayan ay masusolusyonan nyo rin, no? July to December. Yung iba, kung kayo nagka-problema sa bahay ninyo, makakaraos rin kayo dyan. Siguro meron kayong mga ipapagawa, papaayos sa bahay. Or yung iba siguro parang, I'm sensing meron ditong binawi sa kanya yung bahay or kinuha sa kanya yung bahay, no? So, ngayong July to December, you will have your own house, your own place na masasabi mong talagang para sa'yo. What is the Chariot? You have the Daughter of Wands. Yes, exploration talaga. Yung iba sa inyo, baka bibili kayo ng camper van o kaya mas mas ipe-prefer nyo yung outdoors, no? Yung tipong, yung paggagala nyo is to explore your country, no? Kung nasa Pilipinas ka, maggagala ka sa buong Pilipinas. So, whatever country you are in. Pwede rin tong international travels for you. Okay? So, maaari rin merong paglipat ng bahay. Nakikita kong transfer ng relocation ng residency. You have the 9 of Swords. Okay, isa sa challenge ninyo, yung overthinking, yung mga bagay na hindi pa problema, pinoproblema nyo na. So, iwasan nyo yon kasi maaring yan yung maging obstacle sa mga sana na-experience nyo ng magagandang bagay. Oo. Maari ring merong mga tao na merong mga comments about tungkol sa inyo, tapos hindi nyo gusto yung mga comments nila. Alam nyo, wala naman tayong control sa opinion ng ibang tao eh. Sabi nga nila may kasabihan nga what other people think about us is none of our business. Kasi utak nila yun isip nila yun. So, bahala sila kung anong isipin nila tungkol sa atin. Ang importante is, alam mo yung totoo sa sarili mo para hindi ka maapektuhan, di ba? What is the Two of Wands? You have the Fool. Oh. Meron kang susubukan ngayong July to December na you've never tried before. Can be a new work, a new career, a new business. Ano tong susubukan na to? 12th house. Okay, some of you pwedeng you will be so interested in spirituality. Anything na mysterious para sa'yo, you will try to explore it. May pagka-spiritual din yung aspeto na to. Let's see, what is the Five of Pentacles? You have the Magician. Yes, this is your energy. And the Magician is energy ng Gemini and Virgo. So, I think, meron kang mga matutuklasan pa sa sarili mo na talents, na skills mo, na pwede mo pang i-explore. This is also stepping into your own power. You're able to manifest your heart's desires. So, kung ano yung mga gusto mong i-manifest ngayong July to December, kailangan lang talaga willing to do the work. Oo, ikaw, you are also willing to do the work because it is going to happen. Oo, ito yung tipong will turn things around na magiging malayong-malayo yung situation mo ngayon kumpara sa second half ng 2024. And makikita mo yung malaking difference kasi mas maunlad ka, mas malakas yung loob mo, mas marami kang na-achieve. Okay? Let's see sa money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Gemini. Oh, just do it. 'Di ba nga? Talaga kailangan mo lang talagang mag-take ng action. Procrastination will not bring any success. This is the best time to put your plans into action. So kung magpo-procrastinate ka lang, isipin mo lang, what if, hindi yun matutupad, no? Hindi yun mangyayari. So kailangan talaga you have to take action. Okay? Magiging rewarding daw lahat ng gagawin mong actions, lahat ng effort mo sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa finances mo, as long as you are willing to do the work. Worth it yung mga pinaghihirapan mo. Okay? You have the Hangman. So, speaking of procrastination, ayan, yung iba, may mga bagay na hindi tinutuloy, pinagpapaliban kasi pwedeng natatakot sila or nagda-doubt sila sa sarili nila. And the Hangman also is giving you a different perspective in life, no? Oo, mga bagong pananaw sa buhay na you will realize na, okay, kaya pala ganun. Kaya pala hindi nangyari kasi merong ibang plans for you. You have the Nine of Wands, which is about your strength, no? Yung lakas ng loob mo para ipagpatuloy ang laban. Ito yung mga sacrifices mo para sa trabaho, sa career, sa business mo . and this is going to be rewarding. All you need to do is to take action. Okay? Ano man yung mga plans mo na yan, just take action. And of course, saka mo makikita yung resulta niyan pag nag-take action ka. Let's see your love life and family for Gemini, July to December. Codependency. So, maaring merong addiction, no? Someone is relying on you, kumbaga nakaasa sa'yo, or vice versa. Let's see. Children, okay. Maaring meron kang anak na nasa tamang edad na, pero nakaasa pa rin sa'yo. Like, pwedeng i-encourage mo siya na i-explore niya yung kanyang abilities, yung talents niya, i-empower mo siya para hindi naman laging nakaasa sa'yo. Okay? Parang it's time to spread yung wings niya and fly. Okay? So some of you naman, if you are in a relationship, possible magkakaroon ng baby, no? Kung yun yung plans ninyo. Yun nga lang, if you feel like hindi na rin practical to have a lot of babies, anak in the future. So, try to reconsider. Kasi ang hirap na magpalaki ng bata ngayon, ano? You have the Fool. This is new opportunities for your relationship. Possible talaga mag-business kayo ng person mo, no? Kung meron kang romantic partner or someone na napagkakatiwalaan mo. Can be your family member, any loved ones. This is also about learning. So, maaring meron kayong, parang meron, yung iba sa inyo kung kayo single, meron ditong interesado sa inyo. Can be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aquarius. Kaya lang, possible na itong person na to ay meron na ring pananagutan. Let's say, may anak na. Okay? So, you have Mercury in Taurus in the second house. Second house is about your money, your finances, your skills, your assets. So, merong communication. Ibig sabihin yan, maaring you will be involved in social media, connecting with more people. Kaya nga, kung gusto mong mas lumaki, dumami yung iyong mga possessions, mag-increase yung finances mo, you really have to connect with other people, no? Lalo na energy nyo yan, Gemini, na ruler kasi ng Gemini ay ang Mercury. And Mercury is about communication, connections, your thoughts. And you have Sun and Gemini in the third house. So talagang versatility. I think mas marami kang i-explore about your abilities, no? Para mas marami kang kayang gawin. Ibig sabihin yan, mas maraming opportunities na darating sa'yo. Kumbaga itotodo mo na, ipapakita mo ang mga talents and skills mo, i-explore mo pa. Ease. Today, I allow life to be easy. So, I think July to December is going to be easy for you, no? Kasi kanya-kanya yung tolerance yan. Yung iba, yung experience nila sa parehong kagaya mo ay para sa kanila mahirap. Mahirap yun. Pero sa'yo, napakadali, no? So, you're going to live your life July to December at ease. Madali lang. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!